Understanding idle time in English. Hello, dear learners. Today, we'll dive into the phrase, idle time. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means but also how and when to use it. Let's get started. Idle time is a phrase used to describe a period when someone or something is not active or when nothing is being produced. It often implies a state of inactivity or downtime. For instance, when you're waiting without doing anything or a machine isn't operating even though it's switched on, that's idle time. 1. Workplace. If an employee is not given any task for an hour, that 1 hour is considered as the employee's idle time. It suggests that the resource, employee or machine, was available but not utilized. 2. Technology. In the context of computers, idle time refers to the time a system is powered on but not processing any tasks. For example, if you leave your computer on without using it, it's in idle time. 3. Everyday life. If you're waiting for a friend and you're just sitting without doing anything, you're spending your idle time. 1. Due to a system malfunction, the machine had an idle time of 2 hours today. 2. During my vacation, I had a lot of idle time to just sit by the beach and relax. 3. To save energy, reduce the idle time of your devices by turning them off when not in use. And that's idle time for you. It's a phrase that describes moments of inactivity or non-productivity. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of how to use it in various contexts. Remember, language is a powerful tool, and the more phrases you know, the more expressive you can be. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.